Suzuki bike price in Philippines. Suzuki Avenis, SRP, 79,400. Down payment, 5,000. Monthly installment, 3,976. Suzuki Gixxer 250, SRP, 179,900. Down payment, 40,000. Monthly installment, 6,551. Suzuki Bergman Street, SRP, 82,400. Down payment, 5,500. Monthly installment, 4,104. Suzuki Gixxer SF 250, SRP, 189,900. Down payment, 42,000. Monthly installment, 6,914. Suzuki Raider J Crossover, SRP, 66,900. Down payment, 3,500. Monthly installment, 3,416. Suzuki Gixxer 150, SRP, 100,900. Down payment, 10,000. Monthly installment, 4,825. Suzuki GSX-R 150, SRP, 156,000. Down payment, 21,000. Monthly installment, 7,086. Suzuki GSX-S 150, SRP, 133,900. Down payment, 17,000. Monthly installment, 6,159. Suzuki Raider R150 Car, SRP, 103,900. Down payment, 8,500. Monthly installment, 5,048. Suzuki Raider R150 Fi, SRP, 116,400. Down payment, 9,000. Monthly installment, 5,656. Suzuki Smash 115 Spoke, SRP, 60,400. Down payment, 3,200. Monthly installment, 3,070. Suzuki SkyDrive Sport, SRP, 69,900. Down payment, 4,000. Monthly installment, 3,544. Suzuki Smash 115 Disc, SRP, 65,400. Down payment, 3,400. Monthly installment, 3,345. Suzuki SkyDrive Crossover, SRP, 71,900. Down payment, 4,500. Monthly installment, 3,621. Suzuki V-Strom 250 SX, SRP, 229,000. Down payment, 51,000. Monthly installment, 8,281.